My name is Krishnendu and he is my father, Kanchan Deo. We are from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and my father was facing severe pain on both the knees, and he was prescribed in the hospitals of Ranchi, Jharkhand, where they prescribed us for total knee replacement for both the knees, and they also suggested for better surgical places. So we searched for Apollo Hospital website and all other couple of hospitals in Hyderabad. So got to know about KJ Reddy sir and his team. So he had a very good experience in terms of joint replacements, and the success rate is very high. So after that we decided to take him to KJ Reddy sir. He checked him up and gave us a very short date for surgery, and surgery was done very successfully, and he is now able to walk without support and also recovering fast, as we got him checked up today. About Apollo Hospital, it's very nice. The facilities, the nurse, the all the administration management, it's very nice that we have we have to take least care from our end. All the management and everything has been taken care from the Apollo Hospital side. So yeah, it's great to get the checkup done here. Thank you so much, Apollo Hospital. Thank you so much, Dr. K J Reddy sir.